Security issues that you raised in your report a year ago now seem to be playing out on a global strategic scale. I mean, back on October 9th, Beijing moved to control that entire value chain for rare earths, restricting technology and personnel and even trace amounts of finished product. The U.S. responded with that threat of 100% tariffs, though President Trump is now walking that back, saying it's not sustainable. Is this just another round of trade war posturing, or does this signal a fundamental rupture in the global economic order here?
This has been a challenge building up for 20 years. China has concentration of the market, 60, 70, if you include the refining and processing of rare earths and other critical minerals like graphite, you're talking upwards of 90%. And they use all the tools of a command economy to build up that concentration. There's exponential demand for all of these critical minerals, whether it's for the copper for data centers, the cobalt for our smartphones, the lithium for our EV batteries, and increasingly the defense requirements, whether it's missile defense or fighter jets. So there's an exponential demand and a chokehold over supply. The question is, how do we build up the alternative supply chains to get around these trade restrictions, particularly the export controls? And I think there's two things that are critically important. One is better public-private partnerships so that governments can provide the kind of support, in particular financial support, but other things like permitting of mining projects that can encourage and unlock the investment. The second thing is we hear a lot of talk about onshoring, and it's clearly important. It's true in the United States. The European Union is doing something similar. I think we need a hub and spoke model where countries onshore when they can, but friendshore with high trust partners where they must. Rare earths is a great example of it. And a combination of public-private partnerships with business, with investors, and the strategic friendshoring, that is the way that we can provide the range and the depth of supply in all of these areas that the US, Europe needs, Australia, Canada as well.